Hello, friends. India's quest for a strong, self sufficient defense and aerospace industry on a global scale has resulted in a growing emphasis on advanced combat aircraft and engine development. The roots of India's aerospace ambitions can be traced back to its early years of independence. In 1964, the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited or HAL was established. This became a pivotal moment in India's aerospace development. India has achieved significant advancements in aircraft manufacturing. This was demonstrated by the successful creation of indigenous fighter jets such as the HF-24 Marut and Tejas. However, these achievements also highlighted the challenges of advancing in state of the art military technology, particularly in engine development and advanced avionics. The need for self sufficiency in producing combat aircraft extends beyond patriotism. It is motivated by strategic factors such as minimizing reliance on foreign suppliers, increasing operational adaptability, and advancing specialized technologies for India's defense needs. India's aerospace goals have grown more ambitious in recent years, particularly in the development of advanced fighter aircraft. India is currently working on two crucial combat aircraft development projects, the AMCA and the MRFA. The AMCA or AMCA is India's impressive introduction to the realm of fifth generation fighter jets. It is at the forefront of modern air superiority fighters, incorporating advanced features to replace the aging MiG 29s and Mirage 2000s. The AMCA or AMCA uses advanced stealth features to reduce radar, infrared, and acoustic detection. By removing radar signatures from external weapons, this feature improves stealth capabilities. The aircraft is designed to reach supersonic speeds without afterburners. This will enhance its performance, fuel efficiency, and operational range. The AMCA will include a fly-by-wire flight control system, cutting-edge radar, and state-of-the-art electronic warfare capabilities. Despite some setbacks, the AMCA project has achieved notable progress. The detailed design phase is complete and the initial prototype is projected to launch by 2025-26. Engine development continues to be the major obstacle for the AMCA project. Despite advancements like the Kaveri engine, India still faces challenges in developing a fifth generation fighter with the necessary thrust to weight ratio and reliability. India has been considering partnerships with global counterparts, including talks with Safran from France, to work on a new engine together. The MRFA concept embodies India's vision for a sixth generation fighter, integrating emerging or theoretical technologies. The MRFA is striving to attain speeds exceeding Mach 5, which could transform aerial warfare. High-powered lasers can be integrated into directed energy weapons for precise attacks and potentially limitless ammunition. Improved artificial intelligence integration will enhance autonomous capabilities and decision making in complex scenarios. However, optional manned operations will also be enabled. The MRFA is still conceptual to a great extent. Preliminary studies have begun. The government has earmarked research funding to explore relevant advanced technologies. The MRFA concept must overcome significant technological and economic barriers. Globally, most of the envisioned technologies are still in their early stages. Breakthroughs in hypersonic flight, directed energy weapons, And combat AI will require substantial investments and long term commitment in research and development. The progress made by India in developing advanced fighter aircraft is in line with the global trend. China, Russia, Japan, Turkey, the US, and various European nations are making substantial investments in the next generation combat platforms. China's J-20, a fifth generation fighter aircraft, has achieved noteworthy advancements since its operational debut in 2017. With features like stealth technology and internal weapons base, the J-20 and India's proposed AMCA share similarities. China is working on the J-31, a smaller and more agile fighter that could compete with India's future MRFA. Turkey's T-5X project seeks to develop a fifth generation fighter similar to the AMCA. Japan's FX program is progressing towards sixth generation capabilities in line with India's MRFA concept. The USA remains at the forefront with the F-35 program and is starting its next generation air dominance or NGAD project for a sixth generation fighter. The Future Combat Air System or FCAS and Tempest program are collaborative efforts among European countries to advance sixth generation capabilities. India's approach contrasts with the joint venture model commonly used in Europe. This independent route offers more control and customization, but it means taking on all the financial and technological responsibilities. The development of a strong technological ecosystem is necessary for India to pursue advanced indigenous combat aircraft. The Defense Research and Development Organization or DRDO has been bolstering India's network of defense research labs. Starting from 2024, several new facilities have been set up specifically dedicated to advanced materials, propulsion systems, and artificial intelligence. India has taken steps to increase private sector participation in defense manufacturing through policy initiatives. Tata Advanced Systems, Mahindra Aerospace, and Larsen and Toubro have increased their aerospace capabilities. In response to the demand for specialized skills, India has launched new aerospace engineering programs and partnered with global aerospace companies to establish training centers. Establishing a dependable supplier network for precision component manufacturing is essential. India is facilitating the development of micro, small, and medium enterprises in the aerospace industry by providing technology transfer and financial support. The successful development of advanced combat aircraft could have far reaching economic benefits for India. The aerospace sector has the potential for producing thousands of jobs that are high paying and require advanced skills. The Indian aerospace and defense industry currently provide employment to over 200,000 or 2 lakh individuals, and it is predicted to grow significantly. India could become a major exporter of advanced military technology with a developed indigenous aerospace industry. India's defense exports have experienced consistent growth, reaching $1.95 billion in 2022-23 and aiming for $5 billion by 2025. Aerospace technology advancements frequently drive innovations in civilian sectors. The technologies from AMCA and MRFA could be used in commercial aviation, material science, and advanced manufacturing. The success of these projects has the potential to lower India's defense import costs, which are currently at $70.6 billion in 2022-23. Mastering advanced technologies in material science, propulsion, avionics, and stealth is crucial for developing fifth and sixth generation fighters. India is still playing catch up in certain areas compared to global leaders. Advanced fighter programs come with exorbitant development costs that cannot be ignored. India's defense budget, while growing, faces competing priorities across various branches of the military. India's non aligned stance and relationships with various global powers can complicate technology transfers and collaborations necessary for certain advanced systems. Advanced fighter development typically spans decades. Maintaining political and financial commitment over such extended periods can be quite challenging. As India progresses with its ambitious combat aircraft projects, several strategies could enhance the likelihood of success. By adopting a phased approach, the risks can be reduced and learning can be speeded up through incremental integration of technologies into existing platforms before full scale production of new aircraft. The establishment of strategic partnerships with nations like France, Russia, and Israel would enable the acquisition of essential technologies while upholding the emphasis on indigenous advancement. By combining the strengths of public sector undertakings and private companies, innovation can be accelerated and efficiency can be enhanced. Economic viability and industrial growth could be enhanced by giving top priority to technologies applicable to both military and civilian sectors. To ensure long term success, it is essential to sustain funding for basic and applied research in critical areas such as material science, propulsion, and artificial intelligence. To conclude, India's progress in developing advanced indigenous combat aircraft showcases its commitment to aerospace self reliance and technological growth. With their ambitious goals, the AMCA and MRFA projects could completely reshape India's standing in the defense industry and drive technological innovation in the economy. Great strides have been made, especially with the AMCA project almost reaching the prototype stage. Despite that, there are still challenges to overcome, particularly in engine development and implementing sixth generation technologies for the MRFA. These projects' success relies on sustained political dedication, liberal financial funding, and development of a strong aerospace ecosystem. If these efforts are successful, India could not only improve its strategic capabilities but also become a key player in the global aerospace industry. The key to success lies in maintaining a balance between indigenous development and strategic international collaborations as the projects develop. The future will determine if India can turn its aerospace ambitions into reality with significant implications for global military aviation technology.